In today's video, I will show you a trading strategy that uses a modified RSI, envelopes, and ATR stop loss. The strategy can be used in any type of financial asset, and in any time frame. In my case, I am going to test it on the dollar Japanese yen on the 5-minute chart. The first thing we have to do is select the ATR stop loss. To this indicator, we will put a parameter of 0.8, and we will change the type of graph to white points. Next, we will need to select the envelopes. We will use this indicator for 21 periods and with a percentage of 0.08%. In case of operating cryptocurrencies, we will put it with a percentage of 0.5%. Finally, we will select the modified RSI with the name of Ultimate RSI. In the settings, we will change the overbought and oversold levels to 65 and 35. This RSI, unlike the normal RSI, shows us with red or green stripes when it enters the overbought and oversold level, and it shows us with a stronger red or green stripe when it breaks out of the overbought or oversold level. The latter is what interests us. The rules for buying are very simple. First, the RSI should show us a green band, and secondly, the price must be outside the envelopes. If this is true, we will carry out a buy operation. We will place our stop loss below the white point marked by the ATR stop loss, and our take profit in the support and resistance areas, with a minimum risk-benefit ratio of 1:1. In the case of performing a sell operation, first, the RSI should show us a red stripe, and secondly, the price must be outside the envelopes. If this is fulfilled, we will carry out a sell operation. We will place our stop loss above the white point marked by the ATR stop loss, and our take profit in the support and resistance areas, with a minimum risk-benefit ratio of 1:1. Something important that I have to mention is that in case a trade fails and the RSI continues to give us signals after a short time, we will not trade them since they could be false. As we saw, the strategy is really simple and combines a large percentage of hits with a fairly large risk-benefit ratio. But let's look at some more examples. Simply amazing how well it works. And ready, I hope this strategy has been useful to you. Do not forget that before trying it with real money, you need to try it in a demo account so that you can put it into practice by yourself. Do not forget to subscribe so as not to miss any strategy, as we upload the best strategies every week.